College time is the best time to make friendships. And those are the friends that stay with you throughout your life. And friends are the ones that help you create that impact that I was talking about. So, Maitrim bhajata akhila jetri, Maitrim bhajata akhila jetri, Atmavadeva paranapi pashyata, Atmavadeva paranapi pashyata, Yuddham त्यजत स्पर्धा त्यजत, युद्धं त्यजत स्पर्धा त्यजत, त्यजत परेष्वक्रममाक्रमणं, मैत्रीं भजत अखिलहृजेत्री.